Model: 69-plate Peugeot Boxer 435 Pro L4H2 Bluehdi body, white, panel van. Mileage: 97,529 MOT. The 15th of January 2024. Engine: 2179 cc DW12 Bluehdi 140. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Van has a top-end rattle. Camshaft is worn and will need replacing. Van still turns over and drives as normal. Rest of the engine is 100%. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control. L4 are the most desired on the market. Hard to find one of these under 15k on eBay with these type of miles. EU status: Euro 6 HPI.